How to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app. So this highly depends with your device as well and the compatibility of your device. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, and then you need to first of all check the version. So for that, you need to long press on your WhatsApp application. After that, go to the app info page. Here, scroll down a bit and you can see right at the bottom version. So in order to create two WhatsApp accounts in Steam WhatsApp, you'll need to make sure that you have a version of 23.19.9 version. Now here you can see that currently my version is actually 18.79, which means that I'm unable to create two WhatsApp accounts with the same. If you have 19 instead of 18, which means that you'll be able to create two WhatsApp accounts. Basically what happens is that the interface will also remain very different. So as you can see, as soon as you open up your WhatsApp application, this is how our WhatsApp looks like if you have a 18 point, but if you have 19, then what happens is that instead of this three dot icon, you'll be able to see your profile picture. So you need to click on the profile picture if you have that particular version. After that, you'll be taken to the profile info page. Similarly, like your Instagram or maybe Facebook account, you'll be able to see the arrow icon located right next to your profile. So from there, you'll need to click on it, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see add new account. So the interface will remain the same. Basically, you'll have to click on terms and condition. After that, enter in the phone number, and you'll need to enter in the OTP and all that, and that is basically how you have successfully created or activated two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp. So that is how you can do it. Feature might not be available in all the parts of the country, and this is only available in certain parts, and that is basically how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.